This how-to video is brought to you by the Good Turn Food Co-op and The Landing Place.
From the way it looks from here, it's a pretty windy day out there. Great day to make a windsock.
For supplies, you will need plastic bags, scissors, an iron, towel or ironing board, parchment paper, string, tape, a ruler, and a wire hanger. Start out by using some plastic bags. You can use one big bag or you can piece together some bags. You're going to be working on a towel or an ironing board with parchment paper under your plastic and over your plastic. Your iron will be on medium to high heat. You'll notice that the plastic shrinks as you iron it, so keep ironing, overlapping until you get a piece of plastic that's about 24 by 30 or 24 by 36. If you find that the iron makes small holes in your plastic, you can just put small patches of plastic over the holes and iron it in. Now that you have your base that's about 24 by 30 or 36, you can start adding some color. So cut up colored plastic in all kinds of shapes and designs. You can do stripes and circles and squiggles and use your imagination. The one thing about plastic is that it's very forgiving and you can always cut something off and replace it with something else. When you have a design that you're pretty happy with and it's about 24 by 30 or 36, cut a piece of plastic that will go along the bottom with slits in it. This will blow nicely in the wind. Next, you're going to fuse the seam. Be sure to put parchment paper on the inside of the windsock. Overlap your plastic and then iron your seam closed. Here's where you use your hanger or a piece of wire. Cut it longer than what you need, making sure that it overlaps, and then you can tape the ends. I used electrical tape, but you could use duct tape too. Tape is a great cheat. This is going to hold things in place while you're making your adjustments and folding your top over until you're ready to iron it. Use your string or yarn to tie across to the top of your wire, and then one string attached to where they meet, which you'll hang it from. It looks like my windsock gets Banksy's seal of approval. Let's go and hang it outside.